Mema Oya Kwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. A cavity like a tea, what the NCBA to go, which is a comedy stations of one and I want to say, oh man, we can also add to be the money, Kwame Sefa Kayi, Dim Lady, if you're Pupua, and then Yaa Brifo, one I want to come over and some to do another. Now, some good bull ransom, Mr. Say, Safiro Bahana, we are subscribe, we are, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Would have a say over click the subscribe button na wabele notification we answer video for be upload also once ever can be after we are now like video give us a thumbs up na fee share my offer so na when you na watch it after yanko cinema Kelvin Taylor kiti what is here account media stations our woman pizza fair okay fair adome fair Awutu be the money one in a Kwame Sefa Kayi being lady. Yaa Brifo why one in a passa. What you say? I can't media station see one and one sell man. I send the hopa so one of the count one in Casimir. You say a NDC for one of Papa send the anyone gives you the 10 Awutu be money a year NDC for. No like it at this one so why one in a passa. Now yes, I'm going to Yembura Yakiti in some of the verify a account media station. What you say one in a sell man. It and some of Kelvin Intimism.
Yet Ghana and Unquasia Subway so. And the Bodam need be so a professor. Wakoye Savvy be inti now Professor never to my Professor Quasia Benny be and Ojimi phobia to be a professor of Ghana. So we join the Juma or Okoye Savvy. Bawumia the 38% the NDA. See a betwaba. And then and there because you see the account for media normal bomb my man can't tell. There's something they don't want to say my man can't tell. 95% of account for media normal bomb omunima 95% of omomuti radio so amoye account radio ewo Ghana normal bomb they are ignorant. Majority of them are illiterate. You are better than them. They are sensational party communicators. The omo yan say omo radio no so no omo twema NDC ho asem aba. Mahama ho asem ba. Sir John Mahama ni NDC for ho asem ba ena sebio omo journalism ba. But about critical thinking and analyzing issues omo nim nyansa. Omo bon. Eyentietie mu. Hey, we wieska. Hey, only fact ought to be for one document in chiro. So you need to get this in your head. Omo say Ghana no account for media account for titru omo come say no omo no say Ghana omo media no omo bon metma take your time na check your omo digiti radio so nyina say omo ya account media mo musim ko mo na mo friend mainstream go and check their background obi ka say dem ko GIJ omo nyina bon wafa ho ene ebe ye ene we de ebete ene Saturday eba ebe hu that kind of journalism no mo ye for them to break things down for they themselves to read and understand edin mama kan chiro for they themselves to read and understand edin before no betu be chirichiri ma chiro anya say nchirichiri mu keke e o said all kind o te ase na o te ase na se nipa na asem na o ka che na enya no kra wetumi a chirichiri mu say we na enya no kre ontumi nye e no fa na te say and then they Thursday me I wedding I say hey anyone fine say they see the mobile party and to go so Yaa Brifo so when then na dey we dey offer I say who offer na OT radio so na interview no abuofunu offer quantity you say hey me offer say na te say bibia boko na say the until go radio so I just say why we nim say see the radio and tankers as ye you so okay and pay the flower offer we dey onana ne why we nim ejuma dey I Wabatina radio so nkwasi akeka. Inti wedding kanka so be interview offer ko wie sika betima ka agire me. Offer ko wie sika betima ka agire me. Jimmy Safiti anopa to enwumre. About 5% of omomoya account radio and smart. About 5%. In the mornings so also radio. Now we tie obi to say Prince Minka or Power FM. With all due respect, I'm not being biased here. Now we could tie some and say okay FM. Who could take Kwame Sefa Kayi? Na say open so you very honest. Na ope obi a or kan asem no achirechiri amwohu the level of intelligence. Now chef Prince Minka. Now ko tie sa Adom FM ne utumu say Those people are sheep. I'm telling you. You could see the gap is wide. 95% of Omamuti radio so no pa so mo ye morning show or Ghana. I can radio. Oma bong. Boga. Call my FM no go he. Omuti wa so mabodam. Kennedy betina ha. Keka nkwasi asema no maso so ni nyina so. Ni nyina e correct. Ko kumase. Ko techima. Ko omuguso akamfo. Because obetina radio no so no. Our mentality be say, yet dear young penny, 80 no credit and him crumb so be jatum, ne wafana, ya can ask them, Adana Kevin Taylor, a dinner of a party at them. Now for all of a party near the pa, come make us only 9. Kwasia radio, ignorant, cheap-minded girls and boys, the Google radio so. Last, I make some na obi to say, Nana Yaa Brifo, a journalist. Now, onime ba banter or say wo obetumi want to ye interview president. Jesus Christ, president who is dumb than Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo is a president but he's dumb. So when you interview Akufo-Addo, what have you done? When you interview Bawumia, he's a liar, he's dumb. What have you done? I'm talking about your job. Enjo the trimuno time ya chichiri ne kurase ti se akakuro e wadanse asokwa no ne 90 sa keti aba no wanji da so be bankran abetina eye politician enim enti that alone makes her feel say we free wurem aba nipem enti ono ye bibia o say no wonim se ye ne atena ha ebia ne kua poke ye no onso obetina brochire no wa start ehu say no ne ye ne yodum sa na onim hwe wa ba brochire mo amunim na owo say we say akata for ajantra for nim no no area ho no te obetina krom wo say de na me ye no Ghana na sa na be jimi me ho. The standards are high. No radio station America and before juma woo now over den ekua pocket over den over report over kind news over ye dia or a newsroom ha. I'm asking you. You see, that is the standards omontiasie. Inti Ghana problem no unim your problem your akan media and your constitution and your politicians Jimmy or Ghana nyina your akan media na ye na asumi sorry anopa na Kwame Sefa Kayi radio so na girls your tafta from to akosomwe na phone kutano na you too you are serious listening to Kwame Sefa Kayi na oti TV so na aloteko de cops Jimmy Kwame na dankan Jimmy impenifuo the obeyale say watam Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has told religious leaders to help solicit for funds to build a national cathedral. Alote na adwene ho den no asa akọja ntrafo no ho now we no waste time no tie nkwasiafo we they don't even care na alote Jimmy fa ha na Kwame na dankan Jimmy fa ha no ma be hiem infantefo bi Jimmy fo mienu na infantefo ye Jimmy anka ye de na infantini e fa na alote infantini Ghana ngwana mo infantini e fa na alote awe Jimmy now with the radio no so be 4 hours you ntose the Mahama nze na Bawumia aza oye minimum ka say dollar was 16 Kwame Sefa Kayi catch the Ghana for say because the dollar was at 3.8 John Mahama will lose elections kwasi ampe you wait to dollar was 16 only problem or head jantra for 2 or TikTok abuwa na ma betena ha na obetuma wo me Kwame Sefa Kayi can't give birth to me, he can't me ho na efe onye sam ya akora me nya akora wo Kwame Sefa Kayi he can't give birth to me. No. So we sit in Ghana in Kojo TV, Sunni radio, so how you see the respect they give to people listening to them, because it's a privilege for somebody to say I'm spending 2 minutes to listen to you. It's a privilege. It's when you're a host, and it's that these things are important. Whenever you are on TV, you are presenting, you make people know. Anytime I pick this phone, it is because my team, they are sending me an information. It's not supposed to be 80% part of your show. And when you don't respect the people watching you or listening to you, it's a no for brony about a wabodam. Samesha wona unyes kana manshawe. By amasanko fu to say, omoye some champions be you be that. Kwame Sefa Kayi started journalism. Why? Oye announcer Kwame Sefa Kayi show boyfriend saying event and announcer on event no announce in the next 5 minutes we are going to invite the know. When was the last time Sefa Kayi took a story, followed up to the story, a bedroom point to be why exhaust the story me say why yes story where the chire onya bi da say Jimmy talu for scandal ya me and saying 99% of account media in Ghana nobody can understand. 99%. Met to me the documents they can't do it. I know what I'm talking about. Serious discussion because of TV, so radio, national issues. That's Kwame Sefa Kayi kwasi for a radio omo friends. They are friends, WhatsApp messages to me. What about them? Yenya guys can kind of for messages anke wa. This is what we talk about. Me see, tell a story I'm here and saying. Me see 99% of account media in Ghana and some of the English speaking radios. Journalists cannot do that. You know how complex those things are? You know the kind of work that goes into those things? That is why when they see stuff like that, it is too complex for them to even speak on it because you cannot connect it. Yeah, the documents you cannot connect it. You are not intelligent enough. In Ghana, baby, Bawumia etuminya opportunity to sit say or be president. It is because of the account media and some of the radio, English-speaking radios, because they are not ready and willing to expose this government. And it's not they are not ready and willing. No, they don't even know how to do it. Account media, and 95%, they don't even know how to do it. News on kind of radio so 99% of them. Ya can caption a channel and a witty newsroom. Mahama, yesterday, so Mahama call a year a software no catch from say cathedral ready and fasoni so obedi president a cathedral no opese or making sure say omo we are Ghana skibia the course cathedral so munyina ya no I try to cathedral story. Now you say deɛ nso na esi o yɛ so okuku anyi do wudo abodam sibia na nso onum wi na ase nyina tata jimi no jimi no ho so okay ɔno so yɛ ndis ni ɔho so yɛ kanji I news more there and the bro me Peace FM Ship House abeka aha and your one enumere de abo apeso me eko bedu me infantini juni na enumere me the news no e more there ebremo na de abeto dwade se John Dramani Mahama NDC for Frank Tufo and the waka asem bia asem no emu owerem emu ehu eyie musa ekai atamel seba koku anyi do wu sebi o no tafren poncheto ono so ne wasem abeto dwa na ye twa ho aba ye ba ye the news so the dead ebeto so wey oba ya ye nuan adofo ye dam ase etiefo se enwumrei moda ho wo peace FM Ship House abeka na asem no yendomusko na ye magana for entiase John Dramani Mahama NDC for Frank Tufo wadi bipen and waka semi efo na adodankwa Akufo-Addo cathedral brodi be friend cathedral asori dan kesia opese osi ede hye onyankopon enimonyam ema Ghana fo nyina so enye enimonyam wiase afa ne nyina no John Dramani Mahama president Franka etu asabedi president no waka semi na enden sema waka nyina no se cathedral no ohun Jirim bi akoso na jirim no osi nyame ye na dom na se obedi Ghana so a sa jirim no obe make sure se ombe kwasia akodumu sko ehu nipa omde omonsa ebo Ghana sikasemu na John Mahama kasa no sebio oka se na aban foforo eba ne de keta hye ene proye John Mahama na aban no ombetu ase na nana adodankwa Akufo-Addo asori dan a osi no sa asori dan no enye asori dan a sebio osi ama Ghana na emom MPP fo bi na aka omutiri abon ho a omudi Ghana jirim na ye kotie your reporter or nsɛmtwerɛ for dwumadie na sia John Dramani Mahama no Kwame Boateng ɛwɔ hɔ Kwame otimenka ɔto de Jimmy Abraham Temonka Erade Yagopo Kwame otime gyina ye ɔsɛ Abraham tena nipa dede wɔ ha ɛna Kwame gyina ye ne nsam frɛ intini ne ye reporter ɔwɔ NDC for headquarters Kwame Boateng ɛna ne Kwame aba Kwame where the asemu da ho metewonka na Kwame de na ekọ yesi John Mahama aka nsemi na ya chichiremu a de na wankasa wote ye ewo ho wo se wo news station wate chirichiri mu akire yo mati abena we de enwumre dem so mu amaso be free NDC for go we da urade yago Jimmy sao na 365 na twem Yo abena we de enwumre de me da wasese wo de matoso na yasom e wo NDC for headquarters amedi e de komna boate na enwumre yi de ye de brem se aha na ende John Dramani Mahama ene Professor Nana Opoku Agyeman ende omo se omo no besom 2 eye Ghana NDC franka e de bedi eye omampanyini na de course e wo ha na abena otimenka o se amete kasa na etwutwa se o se kasa na yete yo na abena na omo kan nyina ne se eye John Dramani Mahama se eye cathedral ne de se bi omo ba omo behwehwem na omo di eye abro no omo so atwen omo so eye Sammy Gyamfi atwam na nka me penene na kasa Sammy nani abriye inti mo de me anto aso kwase asem si ne tete Tróuble ya bre ye maame mo abre wakoton jene ni sampo anka ne sika wabona boso wada ene ye bon kwase asem all download ye maame mo omo downloading kwase asem inti so otna Tróuble mu every cycle all the way to Medina no download kwase asem for 45 minutes no download inti ye maame no or that Tróuble mo relax wa bre the content as top wo eja okodi eni sika ase ene o downloading kwase asem ene o mugu radio so no o mu jimi o mo ho inti e maamefo no de information papa na ebe hia so o de be kokoto aba no na otewo na ye download because jimi ni na ti radio no so taxi driver we biam adan Tróuble driver na we bia Peace FM no or can say e beba announcement say ye che shirt e wo fuel station na Shell na e wo legu no wato afa ho akwaje shirt o ono adekudi ti o da to Peace FM no say e bia na Peace FM for e che petrol Peace FM Tróuble driver na o da to we bia mu go yi speaker to say e na da seat ase e na bom o titemu o tinyina ya o ya e na kanfo eguso o press ko ha na kan need so o press go omo jibio radio ni nyina information when information ayira inti adwene ni nya adwuma
yo it for we some ye cavity la and to the what to be money e kwam Sefa Kayi bin lady ya Kwaku Annan Yaa Brifo which say account media stations one na wana say Ghana man e adom FM Peace FM Boakye FM ene ye kekam na na TV e wana hun sema to because this news so and now you know so we can subscribe ya say over subscribe now like na wa share video no ama ofofro so enye bi na wa hwe so betimi a kire wadin afa here and so we now ho e wo comment box ni mobeti ninkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.